with Chef Gary, executive chef at the Great American Ballpark, and he said that he was going to keep it simple, his version of simple, I guess. So what are we making today?
So I am making this is going to be the burger that we do for the last 5 home games in a handlebar.
Okay.
So I've got this peach-infused barbecue sauce. Yeah. I've got house-made pickles, onion rings, and it's my spin on like a rodeo burger, but trying to influence some peach into it because it's the end of the summer and we got these last 5 games.
Okay.
So, at the ballpark, we got some great things going on. In the Handlebar Club, we've got these awesome roasted corn fritters. We also have the Candied Bacon sticks, which is sort of like an iconic thing for the ballpark. When I got there, I saw these and I said, this is what we should be known for. And then we're also doing sushi up there as well. So,
and it's like, what do you get sushi at the ballpark?
Yeah, when you have somebody that is trying to elevate the game and trying to get the fan experience to be amazing and try new things, why can't you have sushi at a ballpark, right? So this is my version on it. We've got a steak sushi with a yakinatsu sauce, avocado, cucumber, and a little bit of sesame.
All right, so this is cooking right now.
Yep, so what I'm going to do is I'll finish this burger real quick. Okay. And we've got 5 games left. We've got the biggest game that's coming up, is Knock Cancer Out of the Park. That'll be Saturday, which is a good thing. And then also we have our final Friday fireworks coming up on Friday too. So that's really big. And and people come to the experience of the ballpark, because that's what they're there for. It's such an amazing entertainment part of the game, and people love that about it. And have good food, right?
Yes.
Have good food as well.
I'm wondering how you about to get all this on this slide.
Oh yeah, that's what a toothpick is for. Look at that.
Okay, yeah. All right.
Boom, look at that.
There we go.
Right?
Now that is a slider.
What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to tease things that we're going to do next year. There's a lot of things at the ballpark that we can do, and we're going to make sure that we have the great entertainment and match the food as well. In these last couple games, I want to showcase what we can do and showcase that you can have awesome food like this as well.
Yeah, so I think I might just go to the ballpark just to eat and hang out because I never know what's going on.
All right.
I'll try to figure it out. So he has a couple more burgers made. So are these some of the newest additions that you've made that you've added on here at the ballpark?
Yeah. So
outside of the
Candied Bacon on sticks. Yeah. The handlebar menu rotates often. So and one of the things I try to do is every homestand I try to change it up and offer new items.
Okay.
This is something that is summertime, obviously. So we've had everything from watermelon, pizza to we got a steak and potato bar where I'm making steaks to order for you over there. We've got a pasta bar. I'm doing shrimp and grits down there. I'm doing all sorts of things.
Where is it?
This is in the Handlebar Lounge down at the ballpark.
I didn't even get in the Handlebar Lounge. Most of that, the ballpark was a comedy.
Yeah. Well, and don't forget, when you go to a ballpark, people go there for a hot dog. And I always say that, yes, I make all this amazing food, but I also have to focus on making sure the hot dog is just as good as this going down to the ballpark, right?
Yeah, what is your hot dog? I don't know, like caviar?
It's got a great features. We got all sorts of things down there. Next year, we'll be doing some great hot dogs, maybe bacon wrapped with some guacamole and some pico de gallo on it, and do some upscale things down there.
All right, my heart is starting to palpitate or something right now. All right, so I want to dig into this food right now. So the next time you guys have something big going on.
So we come back next Tuesday, and we start with Bark in the Park. Wednesday's just a normal day.
What's Bark in the Park?
Next Tuesday.
Okay.
Yep. And then we have Friday, which is that final Friday fireworks, and then Saturday is Knock Cancer Out of the Park, and then Sunday is the last and final day. That's Fan Appreciation Day, where they're giving away a bunch of prizes.
All right, if you like me, you're going for the food. Thank you so much, Chef, for coming on this morning. Everyone is fighting for me to get the food. We'll be right back. 2.5 minutes. A final check of your forecast up next.